Hello and welcome back to my channel, and you are watching my YouTube channel with the name Learn with Vasif. If you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to get updated. Thank you. Let's create a 3D model for the 3D printing, and let's get right into it. I'm gonna choose this top surface for now. I'm gonna go for the corner rectangle like this and go for the smart dimension. This one is 40, this one's 70. Finish the sketch, go for extrude and define at 40. See, I'm gonna go for this and go for the orthographic. Okay, I'm gonna go for extrude and 40, enter. Again I will go for create a sketch, choose this face, and let me create a sketch for now, starting from somewhere here like this, and this, and this. Once you close the sketch, and then you need to define the dimensions. This must be 15. And distance from this point till this point is 20, and this one becomes 40. Okay, now rotate your object by pressing the middlemost button, extrude and drag it in opposite direction to create a cut. Now again I will go for this sketch, choose this front face and go for a circle of 20 diameter, and I will finish the sketch. Now again I will go for this region and define -20, and here you go. See, now what I can do, I will go and will create another cutout, starting from somewhere here like this, going for smart dimension. This one becomes 10, and this one becomes 30. I'll hit OK. I'll go for extrude and create a throughout cutout. Again I will go for a sketch, choosing this surface, create a circle like this, go for smart dimension. This one becomes 16. From here till here, this becomes 12, and this becomes 10, and here we go. Now again I will go for the extruded cut. You can just select the arrow and drag it in this direction. See, so now what you can do, you can go and apply a certain material, like let me just go for the metals, and then I will go for the mirror. Where exactly the mirror is? My favorites Fusion 360 library is here, and here we go is the glass, and here we have the mirror. Okay, so this exactly look like real and shiny object. Thanks for watching.